everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to view WhatsApp status without opening. To do this, first of all what you need to do is check if any updates are available in your WhatsApp or not. To do so, first of all open your App Store on your iOS device or any other device and then search for WhatsApp on the searching bar. Then see if any updates are available. If there are any updates available, then please do update your system. Once you do that, go back to the WhatsApp application and then click on the just next to their profile status and slowly slide to the right and see the another person profile. So this is the only way to see the WhatsApp status without opening. Thank you for watching.